Today we're going to do an unboxing of the Insta360 Link 2 camera. It's a webcam, but this webcam, the reason I bought it is because it's a PTC webcam, which means that it has a swivel mechanism that is autonomous, powered by AI, and will point the camera where it needs to be pointing. You see? So this is the unboxing. Let's do this quickly. Basically, Insta360. This Insta360 is a great camera brand, right? They have other products, but the reason that I bought this one is because of the AI, one, and two, because of the gimbal, because it's a gimbal, right? So this is what comes in here. So you take the box out, and this is what comes in here, right? So first, let's zoom in a little so you can see. This is the main camera, and you see it's really sturdy, heavy. This is made out of metal. Everything here is made out of metal, and these are all moving parts. You see? So these are moving parts. You see how it swivels? It has motors in there that will allow it for it to move and look at you, right? It can follow you if you're one of these solopreneurs that's doing a presentation in, for example, in this studio where I'm here. If I set this camera where my camera is right now, I can have, and this is the plan, right? I can have this camera follow me around if I move anywhere around this axis here when I'm doing my presentations. And it has, it follows the sign language that it learns, and you can, with this sign language, you can control the camera essentially. So you can tell it to zoom in, do different things with the sign language. I will learn sign language, I guess. It comes with the base. It's a magnetic base. This base that comes here is very magnetic, right? And this magnetic base is what goes on your monitor, right? If you were going to do that, and then you see, but it's totally magnetic, really hard. It's hard to get. It's really, I wish you could feel this. I wish you could feel this. So it has a magnetic base. What else comes in the box? Excellent, because it comes with the USB adapter to C and a C cable. So it's USB-C. And that's it. Super recommended. I will try it, make a video of it in action so that you see how it moves, and let's see how it goes.